Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My today's lecture has been designed as Holy Quran is 100% divine messages from Allah, the creator of the universe. Today's episode 6. We know that there are about 100 battles took place in the lifetime of Prophet Muhammad. He himself participated at least 27 battles. 27 battles. We have to think deeply. Particularly, what do you think in the society? No person wants to be killed because battle means life is totally at risk. Who wants to go to participate in the war? But the Prophet went and participated. So, if it were the Quran was made by himself, then he did not mention about the words because battle was at the risk of a life. Another quotes can opine like this, that Muhammad took part in the battles because to be wealthy, because to be famous, but it is wrong. Because we know till his death, he was not a rich person. Whatever he gained and his followers from different type of battles, then and then he spent all the monies, the belongings for the welfare of the mankind, of the poor, deceased, and the helpless. So it proves that since there have been lots of about 100 battles took place, so it was the order came from the Almighty Allah for His Prophet to participate in the wars. It proves Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala created the Quran. Later on, Allah said in another place of the Holy Quran, I have revealed the holy book to my slave. If you have any doubts about that, then go and prepare such like of any chapter of the Quran, but you can never do it. Chapter Baqarah, verse number 23 and 24. In this regard, I want to opine about a story of the Persian, now Iran. That time, Ibnul Mukaffar was a very scholar and writer of the Persia. He was given the responsibility to make a chapter like Quran. He got the challenge. He tried and tried, but within 6 months, he never was able to write even a sentence like Quran. At last, he opined that Quran never is written by a man. It directly comes from a existence that is Allah, who has created the sky and the earth. In another place, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, you say, if all the peoples and all the jinns get together and wants to make a book like Quran, they never can do it. Chapter number 17, verse number 88. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Holy Quran, the Prophet has no duty, no responsibility to make and create any chapter. Chapter Rad, verse number 39. And regarding the authentication of the Holy Quran, we know, if you find out the story, we can easily see that at that very time, some non-believers, a few Christians and Jews had the doubts about the authentication of the Holy Quran. They asked three different